This is a comparison video of my Zippo Classic and Zippo Butane lighter. So here we have Zippo Classic and this is my Butane single torch lighter, and this comes as a lighter insert, not proper lighter. The insert is available separately. They won't provide you the case you have to buy separately, or you have to use the case which is already available with you. So I found that a bit disappointing because Zippo doesn't sell the cases separately in India, so I had to buy another lighter, classic lighter, just to insert this one. So that's disappointing for me, but the lighter is good build quality, and you can see it's made in USA, and this is where you fill the gas. Preferably use the Zippo butane for the best performance. And here the flame adjuster, you can adjust the flame using a screwdriver or even your nail. So this is how it looks. Let's insert it. Okay, single torch butane lighter. Okay, gas is over, I think. So this is the classic lighter. I love the classic one. It gives a premium feel in your hand and it never disappoints. But I don't like the smell of the lighter fluid. That's a bit annoying. But otherwise the flame is good. It's really windproof. The butane is not that windproof, I can say. Yeah, gas is low. So both this way it's equal, and my personal favorite now is the butane one because it doesn't have any kind of smell like the classic one does, and also it is very economic compared to the classic lighter. The lighter fluid is very expensive, and the main problem with classic lighter is the lighter fluid evaporates even if you doesn't use it, so that's a cause for concern. And you cannot play with the lighter like I can do it with my butane lighter, but when I open this the lighter fluid evaporates. So the more I play with my classic lighter, the more the lighter fluid evaporates, and I have to refill it every other day. So that's a bummer. And here the butane version doesn't have such issues, so there's no leakage or any kind of issues of smell or anything. So I prefer the butane one over the classic one. But the style, I like the old style, but it's not economical, and the smell is kind of sick, make me sick. So I don't like the classic one anymore. I prefer the butane. Yeah, that's about the Zippo butane and Zippo classic.